Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Gungjung Tteokbokki, which is palace-style stir-fried rice cake. Let's get started. Thank you for requesting today's episode. This is for you guys. First, get some rice cake and put them in a bowl. And put warm water. And separate them. And let it soak for about 15 minutes. Put them to the side. Now we're gonna prepare our veggies. First, get 3 shiitake mushrooms and slice thinly. And put to the side. Next, we need 1/4 of a carrot. Cut the bottom so it can lie on the table well. And slice thinly. Last week was my birthday and my brother got me a knife from the cordon bleu. And I really like it. Thank you, bro. I love you so much. Press it hard and slice thinly. It's way better than the other knives that I use. Put to the side. Next, get some chives. Cut it into 4 cm long slices. And we're not gonna use the bottom part. Put to the side. Get 2 green onions. And this time, slice thinly. We're gonna use it for decoration. This knife is good. Put to the side. We're gonna use for decoration. Next, we need half an onion. Slice thinly. And put to the side. Next, we need 1 hot pepper. Cut the stem, slice thinly. And put to the side. Now get 150 grams of Bulgogi beef. We're gonna cut it 4 cm long slices. And put to the side. Now we're gonna make our sauce. Put 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, dash of pepper, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a little bit of a sesame seed, and mix it well. It tastes so good. Now we're gonna put our beef and all of the mushroom and hot pepper and mix it well one more time. And we're gonna marinate for 10 minutes. And while we're waiting for marinade, let's start the fact, Kwon's Corner fact. Gungjung means palace and tteokbokki means stir-fried rice cake. So Gungjung Tteokbokki means palace-style stir-fried rice cake. Tteokbokki is Korean stir-fried rice cake. If you've ever visited Korea, you will know tteokbokki is a spicy street food served in red pepper sauce on basically every street corner in Seoul. But actually, this version of tteokbokki was invented in the 1950s as a cheap, accessible version of the original dish Gungjung Tteokbokki, which was invented in the 18th century for the king. If you like to learn street version tteokbokki, you can click here. Get a pot and set it to medium high. And put some vegetable oil. Once the pot is hot, add the marinades. Once you don't see the red part of meat, we're gonna add 150 ml of water. And we're gonna add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Once water is boiling, we're gonna add all of our veggie except the decoration one. After cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna add rice cake. But before you add it, make sure to drain all the water. Once rice cakes are squishy and you don't see the sauce anymore, it's ready. Have a taste. Oh, it's really hot and delicious. Once it's ready, turn off your stove. Place your tteokbokki in your favorite plate. And sprinkle some toasted sesame seed. And put some green onion that we sliced earlier. That's it. Our Gungjung Tteokbokki is all ready to eat. Eating time! That's it. I'm gonna get some bulgogi and a rice cake and eat it together. It tastes so good. Bulgogi is really tender and salty, and rice cake soaked all the flavor of the bulgogi, so it's really flavorful and really chewy. I really like the texture of the rice cake. And the shiitake mushroom is really umami and it gives really good flavor. Usually Gungjung Tteokbokki, they don't add hot pepper, but since I add a little bit of hot pepper, it tastes really good. This is more like my hometown style. All the vegetable, beef, mushroom, and rice cake makes really good harmony and make this dish really delicious. So you should definitely try. And if you try, please send me a picture through social networking, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Kwon's Corner subreddit. So hopefully see you guys next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!